Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm delighted to present to you an exciting project that combines the power of computer vision and embedded system to create a hand gesture control in smart home lighting system. As you know, smart home has become popular due to the ability to enhance convenience, comfort, and energy efficiency. The popularity of smart device is significantly increasing in the human life. The demand for controlling and managing electrical devices, as well as smart device in household, also growing. There are, there are so many ways to interact with this smart device. One innovative way to interact with smart device is using hand gestures recognition to control the light switch using real-time image or video data. So, okay, so we're gonna go to the hand gesture recognition theory. First one is image processing. So an image it defines is pixel. For example, like this image, they are 1,000 times 1,000 pixel. So they are 1 million pixels in these pictures, and an image can be presented by a two-dimensional array. The second step is the Gaussian image processing. So on the left is the original image. So after the low-pass filter, we have the result on the right. So the Gaussian image processing reduces the image noise and details and blurring it. And the library we're gonna use for hand gesture recognitions is the OpenCV. OpenCV is an open source library widely used in the field of image processing and computer vision. The library provides a set of tools and functions to perform image processing tasks from pre-processing to feature extraction, object recognition, and video processing. And the second one we're going to use is the Google famous platform Mediapipe. So hand gesture recognition is a field of artificial and intelligence. When we are dealing with AI, we are dealing with a very complex and very advanced deep learning algorithm. The hand gesture recognition method can be categorized into two types, the sensor-based and image-based. So we're going to focus on the image-based. The image-based analyze and recognize the hand gestures using static image or videos captured by a camera. The first step is pre-processing. The second step is feature extraction. And the third step is classification using the machine learning algorithm. Okay, so after we're done with the software, we're gonna go to the hardware. So we're gonna use the microcontroller. We're gonna use either Arduino, Nano microcontrollers. Since uh, Arduino is one of the most widely used electronic circuit board today. Another reason for choosing this microcontroller is ease and use and convenience. Since the humans have only 5 fingers, so we decided the on-off control of 5 LED lights corresponding to different hand gesture of finger raised individually. For example, if we turn on one finger, one light will be turned on. When the hand is removed from the camera, the status of the LED light will be maintained. Here's the result. Okay, so In conclusion, the experimental results has demonstrated the effectiveness, reliability, and the accuracy of system in recognizing hand gesture and controlling the light. However, there are many challenges in controlling the light using the hand gesture recognition system, such as low light or varying light condition or finger variation. Okay, thank you for listening to our presentation.